girl, Isabella. Isabella, there's a spot over here. There. You gonna clean? Clean, clean, clean. Good girl. Oh, you missed a spot. There. There, Isabella. Isabella. There's a spot. You missed a spot. Clean, clean, clean. Good girl. Clever girl. Scrubba-dubba-dubba. Your mummy's good Cinderella, aren't she? Oh, did you miss a spot? Clean, clean, clean. Good girl. Oh, you're such a good cleaner. Mummy will have to start paying you soon. Yeah. How much do you want an hour? 5 cents? You'll make a lot of money. What else have you missed? Good girl. Oh. Do you want another tissue? Yeah, you missed a spot there. You want to go and wipe that spot? Good girl. Thank you, Isabella.